How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can add a raft in the Creality slicer. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to basically just finish with your design process right here. And right after, we then want to navigate through the side categories of our properties. Now, for the first one, we have quality, we have strength, speed, support, and then basically you just want to navigate through the support area. And on this page, we then have the Raft option. Now, the way to basically put or enable Raft on our model right here, you just want to select the Raft that you want to put on your model. But of course, you also want to make sure that the support is enabled. Now in here, you can customize your support to whatever you want to. You have your normal, tree automatic, or if you want to paint them manually, you can also do that. But from here, it enables us to actually customize our raft layers. So in my case, I'm going to be putting 2 layers right here. And if we actually click on the slice plate option, we will be able to see the rafts that we have inserted. Now you can also customize the raft contact Z distance, and that's basically it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.